Were you surprised? I mean, were you surprised? Or no? I just thought you're surprised.
Cries?
Surprise.
Oh, surprise.
Yeah, I
Yes.
thought you were. Oh, how long time no hear. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
And you?
I'm good too.
Okay.
All right, and I'm quite sleepy. What about you? Are you ready to study?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Okay. Oh, the last time I forgot, I overlooked my schedule, right? So I need to apologize. Okay.
It's okay.
I really thought I don't have a class with you. Okay, well anyway, I am here now for our,
Yes.
bonus class for tonight. Okay. Okay. So how was your weekends?
Uh, uh, not bad.
Not bad. Can you tell me more about your weekends? Or okay. Me, I just had my Christmas. And as far as yes, as far as I know, you don't celebrate Christmas. Am I right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
That's a sad thing. I with my friend and we have changed gift to celebrate Christmas.
I'm sorry.
You know?
What did you do? You had exchanged gift?
Yes, with friends to celebrate
Christmas.
Christmas. Yes.
But I thought you don't celebrate Christmas.
Oh, yes.
All right. Well, anyway, tell me something about that exchanging of gifts. What did you give your friend?
My a pillow.
Wow.
Yes.
May I know the design?
Huh?
What design or what color?
It's black. You.
What is the design?
It's a bear. Teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Wow. Okay.
Yes.
So that's what you gave, right?
Yes.
Okay. What about you received? What did you receive?
I received two lipstick.
Wow. What is the color? Is it black?
No, it's red and pink.
Wow, red and pink. I like red lipstick.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So that's how you spend your Christmas. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas. Right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, anyway, tonight we will move on to our lesson. Are you ready to study?
Yes.
Okay. Have you eaten dinner, by the way?
Yes, I finished.
Okay, that's good. All right. let's move on to our topic. Number 5, getting to know you, okay? Can you, yeah. Are you looking at your book?
Yes, I looking.
Yes, I am. Okay, yes, I am. Or yes, I'm looking at the book now. Okay? Alright. Look at number 5, getting to know you. So in this activity, you need to work by pair, of course. So I'm gonna be your partner. You need to interview a classmate you don't know very well. Ask questions like the ones below and take notes. Alright. Okay, Emily. Look at dialogue. Look at this dialogue. You will be letter A. And yes, and as you read the dialogue, you will fill in the blanks. All right.
Okay.
Okay. For example, hi, my name is Mel. All right, and you will answer, hello, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start now. You will be letter A.
Okay. Hi, my name's Emily.
Hello, I'm Mel. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too. Could you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. What do you want to know?
Where were you born?
Oh, I was born in the Philippines.
Did you grow up there?
Yes, I did.
Where did you go to elementary school?
All right. I went to elementary school here in the Philippines.
Where did you go to high school?
Also in the Philippines, Emily.
Yes. Did you study any foreign language?
Oh, I tried to study Korean language, but I find it so difficult, so I stopped.
Okay. When did you first study English?
I studied English when I was in first grade in elementary.
When did you graduate?
I graduated last 2012.
How old were you when you moved to?
I was 14 years old when we moved to. Okay. Alright, so thank you, Emily, for that dialogue, for that play. Now, this time, I will ask you. I will be letter A, and you will be letter B, alright?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, my name's Mel.
Hello, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you too. Could you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure, what do you want to know?
Well, where were you born?
I was born in Taiwan.
Alright. Did you grow up there?
Yes, I grew up in Taiwan.
Yes, I grew up in Taiwan. Remember, we are talking about past tense, right?
Okay.
Okay. One more time. Did you grow up there?
Yes, I grew up in Taiwan.
Okay. Where did you go to elementary school?
Also in Taiwan.
Okay, also in Taiwan. Very good. What about high school? Where did you go to high school?
Also in Taiwan.
Okay, we can say Taiwan as well. Alright.
Taiwan as well.
Okay. Did you study any foreign language?
Yes. I study Japanese.
Oh.
I think it's very difficult.
Uh-huh.
So,
But I think
and I think my English also too difficult.
okay. So you studied English and Japanese, right?
Yes.
Alright. When did you first study English?
When I was 12 years old.
When I was 12 years old. When did you graduate?
I graduate.
I graduate or I graduated?
I graduated.
Okay.
22 years old.
I graduated when I was
22 years old.
Okay. Can you say that sentence again? I graduated when I was 22 years old.
I graduated when I was 22 years old.
Okay. How old were you when you moved to?
10 years old to move to
Follow the pattern. I graduated. I was how old again?
10 years old.
I was 10 years old when
I moved to.
Very good. When I moved to. Okay. Good job, Emily. Alright, so let's move on to letter B. Can you read the instructions?
Use your notes and introduce your partner to the class. Start like this.
Alright. Read the example, Emily.
I'd like to introduce Angela. She was born in Mexico, but she grew up in a small town near Monterey, California.
Okay. Alright, this time you will introduce me. Okay, imagine, yes, imagine I'm your friend and you will use this information, okay? Just this. Information in the left column, okay? Do you still remember my information I told you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'd like to introduce Melinda. She was born in Philippines.
In the Philippines. You should.
Philippines. She grew up in Philippines. Yes.
Okay. More.
More and and
She studied elementary and high school.
she studied elementary and
No,
high school.
not study. We're talking about past tense, right? Not study. What verb should you use? The past tense.
Study.
Okay, studied. One again. She
studied
uh-huh.
elementary and high school in Philippines.
Okay, in the Philippines. Always
In
use
the
yes, continue. Always use the.
okay.
Okay, when you're talking about Philippines, USA, and other countries. Okay, but not
Okay.
not Taiwan, not Japan. Okay.
Okay.
Well, that would be a different topic. For now, I will just, you know, remind you that when you're talking about Philippines and USA, use the. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So, let's move on to your childhood memories. Okay? Do you still remember your childhood?
And a little.
I'm sorry, a little. Okay, let me look at the word map. Supposed to be we need to complete a map. All right, but let's use this. This is more easy to use. Can you see the
Okay.
table?
Yes, map.
No, the table.
Yes, I see.
Ah, yeah, here. Okay.
Pets.
Yes, yes. So we have 4 groups: pets, places, hobbies, possessions. Okay? Now all you have to do is to choose one word from the word here and then paste it here. Okay? Or we can have, yeah, you will just place them. Place the word in their category. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Let's have the first one. Beach. Where should we?
Place.
Okay.
Place.
So, yeah, we should place it in here. Beach. Okay. Tell me something about beach memories that you had. Come on. Any memories all about
Yes.
beach, swimming?
Yeah, with family and
It should be unforgettable for you, right?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What beach memory is so unforgettable for you? And why?
I long time long time to beach.
I'm sorry, Emily?
Yes, and
Long
when I long time
long time ago.
long time ago to beach.
No. Long time ago you went to beach.
Yes,
Okay, and
I with my sister
okay, with your sister.
and my parents, and
Alright.
we swimming together and barbecue. Also,
Uh-huh.
yes,
Alright.
that's all.
Okay. Say it this way. We swam together. We
Yes.
swam together and had some barbecue. Can you say it again? We swam together and had
some barbecue.
yes, okay. All right, because you don't need to say swimming because we're talking about past tense, right?
Yes.
Okay. What else? So that is so memorable. You know what? I can also remember my beach stories when I was a kid. All right. Well, anyway, what about bicycle?
Bicycle.
Yeah, where would you put that?
Put that. Bicycle. Hobbies.
Okay, you will put that to hobbies. Bicycle. Okay, tell me something about bicycle memories.
And first time I ride bicycle.
First time I ride. We're talking about
I
past
rode.
Okay. First time I rode.
I rode bicycle when I was 7 years old.
Okay.
Yes, and this experience is my father told me.
Your father taught you how to ride a bicycle.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So your father taught you how to ride a bicycle. How was it?
Teach me. My father teach me.
Taught.
Taught.
Okay. How was that? How did he teach you? Did you learn fast? Or did you,
Yes,
meet some
I remember I learned fast. It's easy to me.
It's easy for you. It's easy for me. Say that again.
Yes, it's easy for me.
Okay. Did you meet an accident?
No.
Never?
Yes.
Really? Wow, that's good. Because I actually remember before I finally learned how to ride a bike smoothly, I met several accidents.
Wow.
Yes, before I finally learned that bicycle. Okay, what about cat? Where will we put
Cat.
that?
Pet.
Pets, okay. Why? Did you have a pet cat before when you were a child?
No. I dog.
Ah, you had a dog. Okay. So also let's have dog. Let's get dog here. So you have, where is that? Okay. So you have a pet dog before.
Yes.
Oh, really? What's the name of your pet dog?
Pet. He. Its name is QB.
QB?
Yes.
Wow.
QB.
Okay. Do you still remember the breed of your dog?
Breed.
Yeah.
Breed of the.
Okay. Breed. I mean, what kind of dog is that? Is that a German Shepherd or
Is
Chihuahua?
no. It's a white dog.
I'm sorry. Is it a small dog?
Small white dog.
Small white or quiet?
White.
Color white.
Color white.
Aha, I see.
Yes.
And it's a small. Is it a poodle? Oh, describe the fur. Describe its fur. Is it curly?
Curly.
Curly. Oh, I think that's a poodle. Is
Oh.
your dog long? Is the body of your dog long?
No, it's short.
Ah, just short. Okay. Yeah, maybe he is a poodle.
Dog.
Or a Lhasa. Yeah. Where is he now? Where is the dog now?
Uh,
Is it still alive?
yes, he's still alive. But
Really?
my parents is we are busy, so can so we s- s-
You cannot take care of your dog anymore.
yes, we are cannot take care anymore. So we give my aunt.
Ah, to your aunt.
She also have a bulldog.
Okay. Say it this way, Emily. We can take care
We can take care
of the dog anymore.
of the dog anymore.
Okay. All right. Next one. Let's
Next
move
one.
on. What is the next word?
Next one. Collect
Yes.
comics.
Alright. Did you do that before?
Yes. Yes, I love to comics.
I love to collect.
Collect comics.
What kind of comics? What kind of comics do you like to collect?
One kind. It's very difficult
Oh,
to describe.
alright. What kind of stories? What kind of stories? Adventure? Or somewhat superhero comics?
Adventure.
Adventure. Okay. So where can we put that? Huh?
I don't know.
You should decide. So, you like to collect comics. Okay.
Yes.
So that is something that you really like to do. I mean, that is something you used to do when you were a kid.
Yes.
So where should we put that? Collecting comics.
Hobbies.
Very good. Hobbies. Collect comics. Okay, let's have... We're done with dog. What about paint? Let's skip this. This is not really interesting. Okay, what about playing chess or play chess?
Play chess.
Yeah.
Chess.
Do you like to play chess?
No, I can't.
You cannot play chess?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I can't play chess.
Okay. Where can we put play chess?
Hobbies.
Okay, hobby is very good. Let's just write it. But you're familiar with chess, right?
One more time.
Alright, you don't play chess because you cannot play chess,
Yes.
but you're familiar with chess, right? You know what chess is. You know the game.
I know the game, but I can't play. I can't play the game.
Okay. What about rabbit?
Rabbit.
Mm-hmm. Where will we put?
It's a pet.
I'm sorry, it's a
pet.
Okay, that is a pet. Do you have an experience? Any memories that you encountered rabbits? Or no? But have you seen a rabbit before?
I think rabbit is it smell not good because yes, because rabbit can shower.
Can?
They are die when they are shower. Yes.
They cannot take shower. They
Yes.
cannot. Okay. They can take a bath.
Oh, they can take a bath.
Yes, okay. That is why they smell awful. They don't smell
Yes.
good. Okay. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Scrapbook. Where should we put that?
I know scrapbook.
Scrapbook.
It's
Pets, places, pets, places, hobbies, or possession?
possession.
Possessions. Very good. Okay. So, meaning to say, are you telling me that you had the scrapbook before? Did you have a scrapbook before? Emily?
Yes. No, I have no scrapbook.
Before. Meaning to say you
Before,
did.
okay.
When,
Yes. I remember. I have. I have scrapbooks.
you had scrapbook before.
Yes.
Okay. Did you make it by your own? Did you make it by yourself?
Yeah. No. With my sister.
It's my sister's.
It's my sister's.
Okay. Like this one. You said it's my sister.
It's
It should
sister.
be it's my sister's. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Meaning to say you don't own that, but it's your sister's. I mean, your sisters own that, or your sister just gave you the scrapbook. Okay. Are you creative, Emily? Do you design the scrapbook? I mean, did you make some colors? Did you put some stickers?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. What do you put? What What are the things that you put on your scrapbook? What did you put?
I put some make like flower.
No, 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 no. I'm saying, not talking about the design. No, not design. But I'm talking about the content, like friends' names. What What is inside the scrapbook? Pictures? Pictures of your friends? Or friends? No, or messages to your friends?
Yes, my friend and my teachers.
Ah,
Yes.
so it is somewhat a diary.
Yes, like diary.
Wow, I think that's interesting. Okay, did you keep it? Did you keep it?
Yes. Yes.
And I kept it.
I kept it.
Okay. Where is it now?
In my drawer.
Wow, you have it until now?
Yes.
How do you feel whenever you see that?
I seldom to see that.
Uh-huh. I seldom look at that.
Yes, I seldom look that.
No, I seldom look at that.
I seldom look at that.
Why? You just
Um,
remembered your childhood?
it's just very I think fun is funny. It's
I'm I'm sorry, what is that?
I it's funny.
Ah, for you it's funny.
Yes.
I can imagine your face when you look at that. I think you're smiling.
Yes.
You're laughing.
Yes.
Laughing secretly. All right. Okay. Anyway, let's have soccer ball.
Soccer ball.
Yeah.
I don't play soccer
You
ball.
don't. All right. No problem.
Yes.
But when I mean where? Where will we put
And
that?
one more time.
Where are we going to put soccer ball?
The playground.
In? No.
In the play.
What category? Pets, places, hobbies, possessions.
Oh, hobbies.
Hobbies. Okay. Later on, I will explain you something. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. What is the next item? Summer camp, I think. Yes, summer camp.
Yes. It's places.
Places. Okay. Did you or have you attended a summer camp before when you were a child?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But it's not summer camp. It's like 5 day. Long time.
Okay. 5 day. Say 5 day camp.
Yes, 5 day camp.
Okay. What is that all about? I mean, what was that all about? Is it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Can't you remember anything that you did? Is it who organized that? School? Neighborhood?
School.
Alright, school. And what is that? What was it all about? Was it all about? Yes.
With
Okay. What were the things that you did when you were in a camp?
I just remember we are fire you barbecue and we made handmade to
What was that? Handmade?
food.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
Yes, handmade.
What do you mean handmade? What is that?
Food. We make food.
Okay. So, you you grilled barbecue, right?
Yes.
Okay, and you also make food. What else?
Make food. Singing.
Ah, right.
Yes.
Singing songs. What about making fire? Did you do that?
Yes, making fire and singing song.
Okay, all right. So I think that is, just a common camp. Because nowadays we have different kinds of camp, right? Sometimes we say English camp, right? And that camp is all about learning English, right? Yes. We also have youth camp, and what else? Religious camp, like organized by church.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Okay. All right, let's continue. Oh, let's have the last one. Treehouse.
Oh, it's possessions.
Treehouse, are you sure? Okay.
Oh, places.
Places. Okay. All right. So, Emily, you got cats, dogs, rabbit correctly. They are considered pets. Beach, summer camp, treehouse. Okay. We can consider that correct. Okay. All right. But in this category, hobbies and possessions.
Yes.
Okay. When we say bicycle, it is a possession because it is a material thing, right?
Yes.
It is a thing. But when we
Yes.
say riding a bicycle, that is a
Oh.
hobby.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So, bicycle, food, possession.
Yes. Okay. Okay. You understand my point?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. What about collect comics? Oh, no. What about soccer ball?
Soccer ball.
Where should we put soccer ball?
Possession.
Alright, possession. What about collect comics? Where should we put that?
Also possessions.
Look. There is the word collect. So
It's a hobby.
Okay, we should put that under hobbies. What about play chess?
Hobbies.
Okay, very good. What about if I said swimming at the beach? Swimming at the beach.
Hobbies.
Yes, very good. I think you got the logic. What about climbing at tree houses? Climbing at tree houses.
Hobbies.
Yes, very good. So, simply if there is a verb that should be under hobbies, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm happy you got the, alright, you got the logic there, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so let's have, we have activity letter B, pair work, wherein you will choose 3 words from the word map and you use them to describe some of your childhood memories. But actually, we almost did that because every item here, I ask you to share your memories, right?
Yes.
Okay, so no need for us to repeat that. Now let's have activity 7, conversation.
Yes.
All right, in this part, let's just first have the dialogue. You will be Kim and I will be Jeff, okay? All right, so let's start. Hey, are these pictures of you when you were a kid?
Yeah, that's me in front of my uncle's beach house. When I was a kid, we used to spend 2 weeks there every summer.
Wow, I bet that was fun.
Yeah, we always had a
Had
great time. Every day we used to get up early and walk along the beach. I had a great shell collection. In fact, I think it's still up in the
attic.
attic.
Hey, I used to collect shells too when I was a kid, but my parents threw them away. I threw them out. Okay, sorry. I'm scared away because I can relate. Did you collect shells when you were a kid?
Yes.
Oh, did your parents throw them out?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, anyway, let's continue. Where are we? Okay. So, we have a question here. What is Jeff's favorite childhood memory?
Oh, okay. Favorite collection and shells collection.
Collecting.
Collecting shell.
Okay, collecting shells. All right. Let's continue. Okay. Please read the grammar focus number 8.
Okay.
Emily, I'm waiting. Yes. Used to. Uh-huh.
Used to refers to something that you regularly did in the past but don't do anymore.
Okay. Let's have an example.
Okay. When I was a kid, we used to stay at my uncle's beach house.
Okay, very good. So that's an example. Again, Emily, when do we use used to? Or what does it mean?
Uh, what does it mean? He
Okay. We will continue this tomorrow, Emily, okay? As your homework, make some sentences using used to. Okay?
Okay.
Oh, don't forget your homework, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Thank you very much, Emily. And you have a good night's sleep. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Goodbye, Emily.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Bye.